Hi, this is Mike Bauer with Houston Independent Insurance, and I want to share today about the question, what is Medicare Advantage Part C? Now, this is when you move from original Medicare over into a private insurance plan. What's happening is the government is giving money to the insurance carrier to take care of you, and they have to give you just as good of care as original Medicare or better. And there are some pros and some cons with Medicare Advantage. Now, the pros are the low premiums. When you compare these to Medicare supplements, the premiums are most often much lower. Often you'll see even $0 premium plans that you pay. Now, you're still paying your Part B premium, but a lot of times there are $0 premiums that are not adding anything else to that cost. And then you will get a lot of times extra dental, vision, hearing, over-the-counter benefits, gym membership and such. And so there are these extras thrown in that original Medicare does not have. And it also puts a roof on your costs. So it gives you an out-of-pocket maximum. So that is a ceiling or a limit on the most that you can pay in a year, which you don't have with original Medicare. Now, then you also will, most of the time, these plans are going to include prescription drugs with the coverage for hospitals and doctors. So you have it all rolled into one plan. And so there are pros for for a Medicare Advantage plan, but there are also some cons. The con is that you will be in a network, either an HMO or a PPO network of doctors. The HMO, you can only stay in the network of the doctors that carrier has, so it is going to limit the doctors you have, and in most cases you have to get a referral to see from your primary care physician to see a specialist. PPO, you don't have to get that referral, and you can go out of network, but it will cost you more if you go out of network, and the costs for the PPO are generally going to be higher for you over the HMO. Okay, so those can be a con, and then also there will be pre-authorizations. So the insurance company can sometimes say, well, that test, we don't think you need that test, and we're not going to approve of it, and then you have to go through an appeal process. And so that can be an obstacle to getting care. And then also you will not be able to go to MD Anderson with an HMO for sure, or Mayo Clinic. You may be able to go there with a PPO out of network. And so you lose some access when you choose these plans. Now, it's more of a pay-as-you-go plan, so you're not paying up front, but then sort of like a used car, you pay a lower premium up front, but then you do have to think about the cost to take care of that car. Well, the same thing here. You will have some costs, some co-pays, and here's just an example. Maybe your primary care is going to be 10, a specialist is 45, an ER is 90, and then on down the line for all these different costs. And then there'll be an out-of-pocket maximum. Usually it ranges between $3,400, $6,700, and depends on the year. It can goes up or down depending on each carrier. And then also for the extra benefits, you can get the dental cleanings and X-rays, gym membership, hearing aid discount, over-the-counter allotment. And so that is an extra benefit that will be put in often with a Medicare Advantage plan. So Medicare Advantage is different than a Medicare Supplement, and I'll talk about that in another video. But for many people, this does make sense. But having an independent agent like myself that can look over your doctors and prescriptions and do the research for you and find the plan that fits, and it's no cost to you, I think is a great way to approach this. So please reach out to me. You can give me a call at 281-787-7358, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.